Hello, I'm going to guide you through the steps for the Career and Academic Advising visit today. So you're going to start again at the www.byui.edu or my.byui.edu website. And from the home page in the search, you'll just type in Student Guide, and that will get us to that page. It's the first option on that search. Once you arrive here at the Student Guide, under Major and Career, the very bottom of that menu is Career and Academic Advising. And you can find out all the information you're going to need right there. You can read through this website and it tells you a little bit about the purpose of academic advising, what they do, and then it will give you options for creating an appointment with an advisor. You can see here that there's multiple types of appointments. You can meet in person in the office, which is an MC 105. You can meet on Zoom with an advisor. You can do a phone call, or they do have office walk-ins available, so you can walk right in and meet with an advisor as their schedule permits as well. To schedule an appointment, you have options. You can call the main office number and get a receptionist there. You can also email that team and they will reach out to you to schedule that time. Directly through iPlan, you can schedule with an advisor. There's a chat feature as well. You can walk into the office across from the university store and just make an appointment. As you're preparing for that appointment, here's some things to keep in mind. Think about your education and career goals. Write down any questions you have for advising. Come on time and take some notes. Ask questions when you don't understand and schedule a follow-up appointment as needed. There's a lot of resources, a lot of expertise that these advisors have about your specific major and all of the options we have available at BYU Idaho. So go schedule your appointment, set that up, and after your appointment, we invite you to reflect and submit your report in the course so you can complete this adventure. Best of luck.